very fresh good morning to all my lovely students. How are you all? Fine, that's great. So now look here, what is day today? Today is 27th July 2021. July means 7th month and today the day is Tuesday. What is day today? Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Now our subject is English. Now in subject English today we will find out the difference between two sounds. Now the word is L, 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 and and this is all sound words. L and all sound words. Now L. First I want to show you one picture. Tell me what is this? Bed. What is this? Bed. Bed. The beginning sound is B. The beginning sound is B. B. And the same I will write this spelling. L. B. L. Bed. B. L. Bed. Now see this. Ball. What is this? Ball. So this picture I am going to paste here. Ball. The beginning sound is B. Again the same one. B. The beginning sound is B. All. A-double-L. All. B. And L. Ball. B. L. Bell. B. All. Ball. L. Bell. All. Ball. Fine. Next I am going to draw a picture of. Now tell me what is this? Tell me which picture I am going to draw here. This is a well. This is a well. Well means Uma. Well means Uma. Well. Well. The beginning sound is W. The beginning sound is W. Well. W. W. L. Well. W. L. Well. Next. Tell me what is this? Ball. Ball means diwar. Ball. Again the beginning sound is W. The beginning sound is W. Same. W. And the next is A-double-L. Wall. Now understood the difference? L. Bell. L. Bell. All. Ball. All. Wall. Okay. Now read. B. L. Bell. B. L. Bell. B. All. Ball. W. All. Wall. So here is the we can see the difference of middle sound, the vowel sound. This is E is a vowel and here A is a vowel. Bell and ball. Bell. See the difference? Bell. Ball. Well. Wall. I hope you understood. Now let's do one page of your English book. Let's start. Now students, first you have to write down today's date in page number 27. Okay, now the date is also 27th July 2021. Now L and all sound words, like right now look at the pictures and write all and L words in the right columns. Okay, let's read along with me. B, L, bell. all, hall. Yell, all, tall. All, ball. Well, sell. All, wall. Okay, now ALL, all sound words you will write here, like hall you have to write here, tall you have to write here, ball write here, wall you will write here. L sound words, bell you will write in this column, yell you have to write in this column, well you have to write in this column, cell you also have to write in this column. Now let's repeat. Say all, L. Now see this vowel A, all. See this vowel, this is E sounds L. Okay, all, L. Understood? So complete page number 27 and send it to me. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.